Hi, thanks for coming back to my channel. I've got a nice Armitron men's watch here to share with you today. I'd like to take you through and show you all the features and let you know where you can find it online to buy on eBay from me. So this is a men's Armitron all steel watch. It's got a silver tone band. It's got this nice safety clasp. This has got some heft to it. I mean, it's just a solid, nicely built watch. Notice it has these red accents. They also make one I've seen in this model with green accents. Those are the only two colors I've seen. They could make more, I don't know. So this is an Armitron 20-4810 model. Notice on the dial, we've got 3 sub-dials here. So what do those do? The bottom one is going to be your 24-hour time. So here it's almost 8 o'clock and you can see it's almost 1900 hours. This is your day of the week, and up here on the top dial, that is your date. And notice it's kind of odd. What is that? A 6, 11, 21. Ooh, I can't read that. 20 something and 31 at the top. So how do we set these subdials? The way you set the day of the week, you pull out to the second position, the crown, and notice as we cross the 24-hour mark, it changes the date. I'm sorry, the day. It also changes the date, so you want to be sure that you have the correct AM and PM on this, because once you get the day of the week and the date set, then it will synchronize. I'm going to move the hands out of the way so we can see the top dial. Now, how do we get the date to change? Simple. First, we wait for the second hand to move so we can see it. Then pull it out to the first position. Notice the second hand is still moving. Now, it almost stuttered there, like it had another position before I got here. But I know I'm in the right position because the second hand's still going. And there goes the date. Now it's the 25th here. So that's about right there. I'm gonna be honest, I don't love this 6, 11, 16 thing. It's kind of hard to see, but there you go. All right, so then push it back in. You're all set, good to go. Again, make sure you have the AM, PM. So we're in PM right now. So make sure that you have that set correctly. Now the last thing is this bezel. It does not move. So it is a fixed bezel. And this retails for $100. And you can get it at my store. Go bid on it. I'm going to start the auction on this. I don't know if I'm going to go 99 cents or $9.99 free shipping. It's an awful nice watch, but Armitron is so underrated. They just don't get the big bids like some of the other brands. So I don't know. What do you think? What do you think about this watch? Let me know in the comments. And go see me at my store, and we'll see you with the next watch. Bye.